YouTube! What's up, everybody? This your Smell Good partner D, back again with another video. This is the Layered by Scentz channel, where we elevate your presence one spray at a time. So today, like I said, we got 3 Lattafa fragrances that we are unboxing. Man, we're gonna see if these 3 fragrances are hype or alright. So without further ado, we're gonna get into it. So I ordered these 3 fragrances off of Amazon. They came in the mail today. So go ahead and bust them out the wrap, and then we'll get into them and we'll talk about them and see what our first impressions are. So, also at this time, I want to ask you guys to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay updated whenever we drop a new video for your head top. Also, man, I want you guys to drop down into the comments, Smell Good Squad. Just hit me with hashtag squad. But anyway, alright, so we've busted them all out the pack, and now I can let you know the first fragrance that we got on the list. So the first fragrance that we got out of our haul was Lattafa's Kingdom. All white box. There you go. That's what it looks like in there. Pretty nice box. It looks like a book, almost like a old time book, man. Lattafa be killing it, man, with this packaging. Oh shoot, it's pretty snug too. Fits in there pretty snug. Nice bottle, hefty, nice and heavy bottle. And this is the 100 ml. So you're getting 100 mils. And this one is supposed to be, I want to say this is supposed to be a clone of Jean-Paul Gaultier's Le Male Elixir. All right. So nice little cap, clicks on, pretty hefty. We got the official sticker on the bottom. And yeah, yeah, definitely need to get into this. Let me get a couple of these strips. Man. See what we got. See what we busting down today. Definitely smells Jean-Paul-esque, if you will. All right, let's give it a couple of sprays. First impressions. Okay, that smells pretty good. So I got the notes down here. All right, so it has top notes of saffron and lavender. It has a mid of nutmeg. It has a mid of nutmeg, patchouli, and mar. And then we got a base of amber, leather, some oud, and sandalwood. Yeah, this smells pretty good, man. This is definitely luxurious, definitely like that bubble gum, you know, fragrance type of feel. Very mass appealing. Yeah, I think Lattafa did pretty well with this one. It did pretty well. Definitely smells pretty good. Definitely. Let me get it on the skin. See what it smells like on skin. Now this thing, it starts out really bold, and as it calms down, like you getting that lavender, that patchouli. Definitely want to see how it is as it dries down. That sandalwood, that leather, that amber. But yeah, this smells pretty good. And I don't actually own the actual fragrance, but I've smelt it a bunch of times. Usually when I go to the mall, you know, usually when I go to the mall, I go to Dillard's, you know, I hit the fragrance counter and check out what's new. And yeah, I smelled this a bunch of times. This smells pretty close. I might have to go get a sample and definitely do a side by side, but I'm liking that one so far. I'm thinking maybe like a nice wintertime scent, you know, something that you can probably wear in multiple occasions, you know, probably something that's pretty versatile. All right, so this is Lattafa's The Kingdom. So what are we rating it on the first impression? Is it hype? Is it all right? I think it's cool, man. I want to check it out, you know, wear it a little bit and do some testing, see what the longevity, the projection's like. But I'm definitely liking it, man. It smells, like I said, it smells really close to the Jean Paul. So yeah, definitely check this one out. All right, so the next fragrance on our haul, we got no other than Lattafa's Atlas. All right, man, we got Lattafa's Atlas. So this one, I've been seeing this all over YouTube. It's been getting a lot of hype this year. Everybody's saying it's a nice aquatic scent. You know, this is like a yachting scent. You know, this is middle of the ocean type of scent. So I really want to check it out. I want to see what it's like. Oh man, look, man, it came rough with mine, man. Top all off of it. Let me fix it. All right, so this is how it's supposed to be in there. That's how it comes, you know. Pretty decent presentation, pretty hefty box. Pretty nice, and this fits snug in there. Now this one, this is a 55 mil. So this isn't 100 mil, but this is a 55 mil. Oh, at the bottom, you know, you got your sticker, and it's not a bad bottle, man. It's pretty hefty, man, pretty heavy. A lot of glass. Pretty heavy cap. Very heavy cap, actually. But yeah, it's pretty nice, man. Not a bad presentation at all. So let's get into what the juice smell like. Get into the juice. You got the juice now, young sir. You got the juice. All right, man. Let's see what it smell like. Ooh, hold on. Is that pressurized? Hold on, that's a nice, pretty nice atomizer. Okay. Very clean. This is a very clean scent. Like very airy. It's like a breath of fresh air. Definitely want to see what this is going to be like in the hotter weather. Let's get it on skin. Man, that's a nice atomizer, man. Pretty nice. All right, we're gonna sit that to the side. Let's see if we can get into the notes. We got top notes of bergamot, pink pepper, and lavender. We got a mid of amber, some sage, some geranium, a base of vetiver, patchouli, some musk, and leather. So that's definitely a very, very nice scent, man. It's just fresh. It's fresh, it's zesty. Like, or like, how can I explain it? Like, I don't get like a bunch of that citrus, but it's just clean. Like, it's like I said, like a breath of fresh air. All right, so my impressions on this scent is that it's crisp, it's clean, it's airy. Like I said, man, it has like a little bit of that citrus hit. Even though I don't really smell a bunch of that citrus, but you can kind of smell like maybe like the zest, like the zest of it, like just like a little twinge of it in the slightly in the background. So yeah, this is definitely gonna be a banger for the summer. I'm gonna test it out, you know, I'm gonna see what it's working with, because I said, man, I like it right now, but we gotta see how it performs in that heat. And a lot of people I've seen on YouTube, they said it's really strong, but maybe. So yeah, it's my first impressions on Lattafa's Atlas. So is it hype? Is it all right? I don't know. Right now, I'm gonna say that it's all right. Like I said, I want to test it. I want to see definitely what it's gonna do in a high heat situation, and see how people respond to it. So stay tuned for a full review on this. Alright, so now we got into our last fragrance of today, and I've heard so much about it. Everybody's talked about this fragrance, especially the first Khamrah, but I am a sucker for coffee, and when I heard about this one right here, I had been waiting to pull the trigger on it, but I just happened to just be like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and get it. It's on sale, so definitely wanted to check it out. So we got that Lattafa's Khamrah Qahwa. Ooh, okay, Lattafa, you coming with it. Y'all been a little acting a fool with the presentation. Very nice presentation. Very nice hefty bottle. It reminds you of like a old style whiskey glass. That's what these remind me of. Well, yeah, very hefty bottle. And I think this is the 100 ml. So yeah, this is the 100 ml. We got our official sticker on the bottom. And yeah, man, this looks very nice, very inviting. So let's get a scent strip. Let's see what we're working with. Let's see if it's hype or all right. All right. All right. Atomizer ain't just jumping off, but it ain't always about that. Let's see what that juice talking about. Okay. Ooh, I can smell this in the air. That's very soft and sensual and Oh, that smells delicious. Ooh, it smells just like you at Starbucks. Got you like a cinnamon Danish, you know what I'm saying, with your double frappe latte or frappuccino. You know what I'm saying, read you a nice book, nice little ebook or something. Yeah, this one is nice. Let's see if we can jump into the notes. All right, so we got Lattafa's Khamrah Qahwa. All right, so the top notes, we got cinnamon, we got cardamom, and ginger. In the mid, we got praline, white flowers, and coffee. And then at the base, we got vanilla, tonka bean, benzone, and musk. Yeah, this one right here, this is definitely gonna be pressure in the winter time. Around that holiday time, yeah. Yeah, because that smells delicious, man. That smells fire. Man, I think that's my favorite pickup. I think that's my favorite pickup for today. We're gonna run the Kingdom second, and we're gonna do the Atlas third. for the first impressions. But we vote them all alright. They all alright for right now, cause they all smell good. I'm enjoying all of them. You know what I'm saying? Cause that Kingdom, like that Kingdom is doing what it's doing, and then we got that Atlas. Ooh, that dry down on that Atlas. Hold on. Atlas might have to run second. Atlas gotta run second. Sorry, Kingdom, you gotta go third. But you still fire. But now Atlas is come out to play. Yeah. Yeah. Khamrah Qahwa, man. If you ain't got it, you gotta go get it, man. This, oh my gosh. That is nice. That is nice. So, alright, y'all. So those were our 3 fragrances for today, man. And I think this was a good pickup, man. This is a good day for fragrance pickups, man. This one went pretty decent, man. So, like I said, happy with all my picks, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the Layered by Scentz channel, where we elevate your presence one spray at a time. Like I said before, this is your smell good partner D, here to keep you fresh, fly, confident, and unforgettable. And man, nah, let me stop playing. But for real though, I need you guys to subscribe. I need you guys to hit that notification bell. Please like the post. You know what I'm saying? Help us grow so that we can keep on making this fly content for you guys, finding some great pickups, and you know, just having a good time doing it. So, Smell Good Squad, I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.